Hi there. I just wanted to make a quick video to show or to recap some commands that are really good to know in VS Code. So first off, you need to know how to access the command palette. And there is most likely a way of doing that without a shortcut, but I always use the shortcut, which on Mac is Command, Shift, and P. And Windows, it's Control, Shift, and P. So if I do this, you can see there's a window here that opens with a little greater than sign. So the two things that are important to know is first how to create a terminal. So you see it's already suggesting it, but at first it will not for you. So you have to type create new terminal, and then you want to create a new terminal with profile, and you click here, and then it will ask you which shell you want. And so if you are on Windows, you can, if you have installed git bash, you can use git bash. I use the Z shell, but bash is fine as well. The important thing is that you need to make sure that you have access to conda in there. And the way to check that is to just type conda, and you should have something like this instead of conda not found. If you don't have this, this means that the shell has not access to the conda binary, and so that's something that needs to be sorted separately, or that you haven't installed Miniforge yet. And so this is good because this allows us to run commands, and we are already in the right directory here. You can see I have sketches, I can do sketches, and then I can list things, and if I wanted to run things straight from the terminal, I could do something like this directly. And because I have my environment, oops, I need to change the camera here, but otherwise the sketch is running, and that's because I'm in my environment. So the first thing to note is this Command Shift P create new terminal to be able to open a terminal in your VS Code. And the second one is Command Shift P again, or Control Shift P, is hyphen select interpreter. And you can see it's suggesting it to me, but the first time for you it won't, so you have to type it a little bit more. When you select interpreter and you have created the environment, then you want to choose DMLCP here. And that means that if you ever go to a sketch like this one, and you want to press play, it is going to use that environment. And if you don't do it, hello, if you don't do it, then you will have errors here that it's not able to find dependencies and stuff. So yeah, those are really the two key things that you need to remember when using VS Code. All right, see you later.